Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word cop. This word has many meanings. Let's explore them together in simple English. What does cop mean? Cop is a word with many meanings. We use it in different ways. It can mean different things in different sentences. The most common meaning is police officer. A cop means a police officer. A cop helps keep us safe. For example, the cop helps people cross the street. Cop can also mean to catch or take something. When you catch a ball, you can say you copped it. For example, he copped the ball in the game. In slang, cop means to get or buy something. Young people use this word a lot. For example, I copped new shoes yesterday. This means I bought new shoes. Cop out is a phrase. Cop out means to avoid doing something. When someone quits or runs away from work, they cop out. For example, he copped out of the test. Let's review the meanings. Cop can mean police officer. It can mean catch or take. It can mean get or buy. And cop out means avoid or quit. Where does the word cop come from? Cop started as a word in English long ago. People say it because cops catch bad people. It has an interesting history. Different countries use cop differently. In the US, cop means police officer. In the UK, it also means police officer. In Australia, people also use it to mean buy something. How do we use cop in a sentence? Here are some examples. The cop helped me. She copped a cold. I need to cop some food. Don't cop out now. Here is a fun fact about cop. More than 1,000 movies use the word cop. It is very popular in films and TV shows about police. When you hear cop, think of these things. Think of friendly police officers helping people. Think of someone buying shoes. Think of someone catching a ball. Cop means many things. Cop is popular in movies and TV. Many movies show cops as heroes. They solve crimes and help people. Cop is a word we hear often in stories. We respect cops for helping us. They keep our streets safe. But sometimes people use cop in jokes. It depends on how we say it. Remember, cop is also a verb. To cop means to take or get. For example, I copped a prize. This means I won or received a prize. Let's talk more about cop out. Cop out means to stop trying. It means to give up. It is not good to cop out. We should finish what we start. Cop is used in music and culture. Rappers use cop to mean buy. For example, I copped new clothes. This is very common in hip-hop music. How do we say cop correctly? Say it like cop. It sounds short and fast. The O sounds like the U in hot. Practice saying it. When should we not use cop? It is not polite to call someone a cop as a joke. It is not good to cop out of work. Use cop carefully in school and work. There are other words like cop. Cop means police officer. Officer is the formal word for police officer. Pig is a rude word for police. Never use rude words. People say cop in everyday talk. It is informal and fun. Friends use it when chatting. For example, I copped a great deal. This means I got something cheap. Is cop a good word? Yes, but only sometimes. Use it with friends when talking casually. In formal situations, use officer instead of cop. Let's summarize the meanings of cop. Cop means police officer. It means to catch or take. It means to buy or get in slang. And cop out means to avoid or quit. Quiz time. What does cop mean in this sentence? I copped a new phone. Is it A, police officer? B, bought? Or C, avoided? Think about it. The answer is B, bought. Here, cop means to buy. I copped a new phone means I bought a new phone. Great job if you got it right. How can you learn more words? Watch videos on Wordscience. Practice with friends. Read simple English books. Use new words every day. Keep learning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning about COP with us today. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep watching Wordscience for more easy English lessons. Please subscribe to Wordscience. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. Click the subscribe button. We make learning fun and simple for everyone. Follow us on social media. Find Wordscience on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Stay connected with us. Join our learning community today. More fun words are coming soon. Watch for our next videos. We will teach you many interesting words. Stay tuned to Wordscience for more lessons. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing English. Goodbye from Wordscience. We will see you in the next video.